The truth and the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Please be seated.
The suggestion that I participated in any collusion, that I was aware of any collusion with the Russian government to hurt this country, which I have served with honor for 35 years, or to undermine the integrity of our democratic process, is an appalling and detestable lie. So I readily acknowledge these two meetings, and certainly not one thing happened that was improper.
And to the best of your memory, you had no conversation with Ambassador Kislyak at that meeting?
I don't recall it, Senator Warner. It's conceivable that occurred. I just don't remember it. It is absurd, frankly, to suggest that a recusal from a single specific investigation would render the Attorney General unable to manage the leadership of the various Department of Justice law enforcement components, and it was my best judgment that a fresh start at the FBI was the appropriate thing to do.
Did you ever discuss Director Comey's FBI handling of the Russia investigations with the president?
Do you remember lingering? Do you remember feeling like you needed to stay?
It didn't seem to me to be a major problem. I affirmed his concern that we should be following the proper guidelines of the Department of Justice.
Mr. Comey said that there were matters with respect to the recusal that were problematic and he couldn't talk about them. What are they?
Why don't you tell me? They are none, Senator Wyden. This is a secret innuendo being leaked out there about me, and I don't appreciate it. I'm not able to discuss with you or confirm or deny the nature of private conversations that I may have had with the president on this subject or others.
I believe the American people have had it with stonewalling.
I am not stonewalling. I am following the historic policies of the Department of Justice.
And now you're not answering questions. You're impeding this investigation.
Has the president invoked executive privilege in the case of your testimony here today?
He has not.
What is the legal basis for your refusal to answer these questions?
I am protecting the right of the president to assert it if he chooses.
You referred to a longstanding DOJ policy. Is that policy in writing somewhere?
I think so.
So did you not consult it before you came before this committee, knowing we would ask you questions about it?
Well, we talked about it. The policy is based...
Did you ask that it would be shown to you?